This is Louis with air conditioning, guys. We've got our first multi-zone system here in this amazing TV room. Lots of space, lots of fun things to do, but it needed heating and cooling, so that's what it is now. And I'm sure you can't wait to feel the coolness. So how quieter is your new mini split compared to this thing?
Oh, a lot quieter. When we had that on eco mode, it would completely turn off, then turn back on and wake us up. So,
well, you won't get that anymore. How about that efficiency? 24. That's pretty high. Get it from air conditioning, guys.